Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't normally hop on these challenge bandwagons, but when I saw this challenge, I knew I had to participate because it was like my entire childhood, and obviously you know what I'm talking about based on the title of this video. I'm talking about the Bratz challenge that's been going around. I loved Bratz dolls growing up. They were my jam. My favorite doll growing up was Jade. I thought she was just so edgy and cool. But I've been seeing a lot of people do Jade and like kind of just the main dolls in general. So I wanted to choose a doll that not a lot of people have been doing. So I stumbled upon this doll, Masquerade Brielle, and I thought she was so cool, and also I thought her makeup was pretty appropriate for Valentine's Day if you're into that. As always, all of my social media, the products used, and the music will be listed in the description, and with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. Off camera, I blocked out my brows, but I will link my tutorial for how I do that in a card at the top of this video. So I started by mapping out all of the exaggerated doll features. For the eyes, I decided to hide my eyes in the lower lash line of the painted on eyes to help the illusion be a bit more convincing. I color corrected my under eyes, then I based my face out with foundation. I highlighted my face with a white concealer and I blended it out with a damp sponge. Then I set my face with powder. I used a contour powder to add some color back to my forehead and to contour my nose. Normally I would also contour my cheeks, but Bratz dolls have rather full and round faces, so I opted not to. I started defining my new crease with a light brown eyeshadow. Then I darkened it with a deeper brown eyeshadow, more concentrated in the crease to start adding depth. I used a blue eyeliner to map out the irises of the eyes, then I used white body paint to fill in the rest of the eyes. I used blue body paint to add in the irises. I used the white again to add in the little catch lights in the eyes. Then I added the pupils with black body paint. Notice that in each step of the eyes I left gaps for the other colors rather than painting the entire area and layering the next color on top. This helps to prevent the colors from mixing and will help prevent the body paint from cracking because it's not super thick. I used a concealer pencil to map out the little hearts on the cheeks, then I filled them in with lip liner and set them with blush. I filled in the ginormous lips with lipstick. So they wouldn't look super flat, I shaded around the edges of the lips with a deeper pink lipstick and blended it into the base while it was still wet. Then I highlighted the centers of the lips with a bit of white lipstick. I added some shimmery eyeshadow to my new eyelids, then I highlighted the centers of the lids with white concealer and set that with a white highlighter. I used black eyeshadow to really sharpen the crease. Then I outlined the irises with a dark blue body paint. I added a shadow to the eyes with a light brown eyeshadow. I used an eyeliner pen to outline the eyes and added in the little upper lashes. I added in the brows with a light brown eyeshadow and I sharpened them by outlining them with a concealer pencil. I shaded the corners of the mouth and beneath the lips with my contour shade to help pop the lips forward and sell the illusion of very large lips. Last, I contoured my nose a bit more to make it look more pinched. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I really enjoyed seeing everyone's looks for this challenge, and this was really fun to do, even if it's pretty unsettling to look at. Let me know in the comments if there's any other challenges you'd like me to take a stab at, because I'd love to do more. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out my last video, or click that bottom link to check out a video YouTube's robots think you'll like. If you want to become a member of the Potato Patch, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe, and if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little bell to turn on post notifications.